All right, hi, and welcome to Control Talk Now, the Smart Buildings videocast and podcast. Well, we're going to call this the Almost Show today for a couple reasons. Number one, the man, the myth, the legend is out west. And what's he doing out west? Well, he's on a reconnaissance mission. Among other things, he is checking out the site for the Controltrends Awards, making sure we got everything just perfect at the Hard Rock Cafe for the 2016 Controltrends Awards. And secondly, he is celebrating his birthday. So happy birthday, Kenny. So out taking a little walk today, thought you a little bit of Atlanta. I'm walking on the Beltline right now. Beltline's kind of a cool concept. It's a bicycle and walking path. Starts around Inman Park, which is downtown and just a little east of Atlanta, and runs through Piedmont Park and will eventually run all the way to North Atlanta. So you'll be able to ride your bike downtown to work if you want to. So it's a really cool concept. All kinds of cool shops around here. So it's very, very cool. And speaking of the Controltrends Awards, I want to say thank you very much. Blue Ridge Technologies and KMC Controls both came on as platinum sponsors this week, which is a really, really cool thing. So speaking of the man, the myth, the legend, let's hear from him. Hey, Kenny, what's up?
Controltrends community, this is Ken Smyers, and I'm in Las Vegas at the Hard Rock Cafe. Behind me you see John Lennon, again, a familiar theme from last year's show. I'm at the venue doing the reconnaissance necessary to put on this show. It's really exciting, and one of the consequences is we won't have a Control Talk Now show because I'm here doing this in Las Vegas. So I want to say, hey Eric, man, I got my sunglasses on because this is really cool. And it's going to be a super place. It's right on the strip. I mean, the hotel is where everybody's staying, and the convention center's less than 400, 500 meters from here, right next to the Hard Rock Cafe. So looking for a great show. It's going to be January 29th. 2017, we're going to celebrate the stars and the superstars of our HVAC industry and building management industry right here at the Hard Rock Cafe. So stay tuned for more information in the very near future.
Hey buddy, the venue looks really, really cool. Good job out there. It's going to be a great show. We really appreciate it. So Kenny, man, have a great birthday. Have a lot of fun, be safe, and don't do anything the rest of us wouldn't do. Talked a bit on the show about a project I'm very, very passionate about. It's called Controltrends People. It's going to be a podcast. It's going to focus on the life stories of the people in our industry that make it great. So we're going to talk about where they were born, what they did in high school, what they studied, who their mentors were, first girlfriends, how many times they've been in jail, stuff like that. So been working on it. The first episode should drop later this week, assuming I get it up on iTunes. So to give you a flavor for what that's all about, hey, check this video clip out. Well, there you go. We said it was going to be short and sweet. A special thanks to Nino DeCosmo and Jenny Graves for all their hospitality. Had a great time up there, and I can't wait to get their podcast up. Okay, so with that, we're going to call it a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, be bold and stay in control. Indeed. What? Kenny? That guy's everywhere.